I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cannellini bean dip. Cannellini beans are like white kidney beans, so the flavor is really similar to kidney beans, but they are white. They're bigger than the small white beans, which are usually just labeled small white beans. And yeah, just kind of buttery. I'm going to put some of these in the food processor. I'm also going to add some roasted garlic. Now I roasted the garlic until it was about the texture of toothpaste so that it just comes right out of the skin. I rubbed a little bit of olive oil on the skin, that helps it to cook. I'm going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Some olive oil. Some salt. And then also some seasoning salt. This has some rosemary and some lemon peel. Really, you know, any kind of seasoning salt you're going to find is going to work nicely in this. Okay, and that still looks just a little chunky, so I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil in addition, just to make it smoother. And there you have a cannellini bean dip.